Well, this one didn't go too well. Everybody's okay, but it just chuck damage, that's it. Here comes the towing truck, baby.
So Joey's towing.
You don't see that every day.
On the fire speed, go just spread my eyes. How many bump and run fans do we have in the Ostreco to your truck? Mike Ostreco, please, to your truck. Mike Off Tire, Michigan Cat, Mac LTT, Northern Energy, North American Diesel Parts, JX Peterbilt, Crosstrack, Diesel Creek, Richmond Recycle. So all day yesterday, Joey's toy was on in the hammock, enjoying cool beverages, and today he is. All right, Michelle, go down the up to the stripe right there, first of the bobtailer. He was in it. He was in it to win it that time. So no sorry to Larry there. He's going to to the stripe unless something goes wrong these last 200 feet. First one to the stripe. Double here with Troy Lake. There he goes. Check that one out, the strike. Coming to the line now, the 201.
I gotta say, that cab over is beautiful. But the engine is outstanding. I've been seeing him throughout the whole day. In addition to yesterday, just racing with the uphill racing. It's amazing. And now he's doing truck pulls. It's crazy, man. That engine is top-notch engineering, and it's beautiful. And I don't know how, but they do manage to keep it pretty clean with all this dust and mud and everything out here. Well, wow.
Brandon.
Not bad, not bad. I'm trying to say 315. That's pretty good, not bad, but I don't even know what I'm talking about. I don't know nothing about this truck going sport, but just to be here and just check it out. Hey, it's alright, not bad. Yeah, they got more trucks coming in and here pulling out. Where the truck pulls in, for the most part, it's only going to be pickup trucks. Came along and I've noticed this guy with his hood wide open, so I figured let me see what's going on here. I'm not a mechanic, not an engineer, but this is, I don't know what is for. Hello, what is that, bighorn? No, obviously that's intake, but totally different. Look at those shocks. Damn. The hoses, totally different hoses. What is this? What is that thing going out? What is that? It's like a chain for, oh, I guess when the engine explodes. Yeah, I mean, look at that. Total different engineering. Totally different engine than your ordinary truck that you drive daily on the street. And I bet you the axles too are rated for heavier, 44,000 pounds. Yeah, I don't know what these are, what they're for. Oh damn. The money that goes into this? Woo, baby. And it's a pretty truck too.